Hi students, in the previously we started the 9th class, our Earth. In the previous topic we discussed about the universe, sun and the earth and moon, and earth as a planetary body. Now today in this topic we discuss about the evolution of the earth, how the earth is evolved, how it is origin. The related topic we are going to discuss. The scientists are still they are debating about how the earth is originated. Now the scientists, many people are viewing about that the earth is originated around 4.5 billion years ago. So today what kind of the shape and structure of the earth we finding that is modified and created, it is taken many process and many stage. In the beginning, the earth is one kind of the ball, which is contained like clouds, dust and molten stage. Hot liquid forms are there. Now in the universe, there are number of the planets or the number of the massive rocks and substances that are bombarded with this ball or with this earth. Now due to this, the size of the earth is increasing. In initial stage, the earth is very hot liquid form, it is a molten stage. And now what is happening here? Take one example, take one soap, which is a hard substances. When we are starting the boiling of these hard substances, now the lighter particles is going to ply the outer layer of the bowl, and heavy particle is going to reach inside of the bottom area. In those manner, the earth which is contain the dust particles, which is contain the different substances, it is in a hot molten stage. Because of hot liquid form, the light particles were pliable on the outer layer. Heavy particles were remain in the bottom of the place. Now due to this force, example when we boil the milk, how we can find milk cream and outer layer it is forming. In those same manner, the light particles of the earth is pliable over the outer layer and it is formed a crust. And heavy particles are went to the inside of the layer, and after cooling down, they are formed as a mantle and crust area. Now due to this cooling continuously happen, that mantle and the core is wrinkled and it is break off into the pieces, and in those manner, because of plate tectonic, because of movement of that, so the mountains are formed. When earth is originated or when it is formed, we can find the oxygen and many gases like oxygen, nitrogen, methane, many gases which are involved in the atmosphere around the earth surface. This oxygen and different kind of the gases is very important for surviving on this earth surface. And in those manner, 400 billion years ago, the earth is a barren land. Nothing is presented. It is empty. Then after the plants, the trees or the oceans are formed, and then later finally the human beings are entered in the earth surface. In this manner, the earth is evolved. The evolution of the earth is taken place in this process. Now we will go into another topic, the internal structure of the earth. The scientist people are discovering to find out that how many kilometers the inside of the layer earth part is contained. Many years they are discovered, many things. So they are went through the radius or they went to the behind some layer of the part. But scientists cannot go the behind the 6,000 kilometers. They are went to the up to the 6,000 kilometers and they are considered it is a radius of the earth. And the scientist peoples, they cannot go the behind of the layer because of it is contained very hot liquid form inside behind the 6,000 kilometers. Now the earth, the layer of the earth, the part of the internal structure of the earth divided into three parts. One is crust, second is mantle, third is a core. Now we will discuss detailing the crust. The crust, the up to the 100 kilometer from top layer. So what we can find the soil where we are walking on the ground, from up to the top layer of the earth surface to the inside of the 100 kilometer is called a crust area. Second is a mantle. 100 kilometer to 2900 kilometer, these parts of the inside of the layer is called mantle. The mantle is contained with the chemical substance like silicon, certain chemical substance are containing in the mantle area. Now the core, these parts from 2900 kilometer to 6376 kilometer, this region, this part of the inside layer is called a core. The core is contain heavy substance like iron and nickel. The core is divided into two parts. One is a outer core, second is a inner core. The outer core is 2900 kilometer to 5100 kilometer. The outer core is contain heavy substance like a iron and nickels. The materials we can get from the core layer onwards. The next is a inner core. So 5100 kilometer to 6376 kilometer. This region of the inside layer is called inner core. This inner core is very famous of substance like the gold. Now we can understand that the crust, mantle and core, how much percentage, how much portion of this layer are containing each and every one. Now the crust is contained 1%. 16% is mantle and 83% is the core we can find. So these are the internal structure of the earth. The earth internal structure divided into three parts. One is crust, second is mantle, third is a core. So you can find the page number 5 in your textbooks and you can get the information. You can refer, you can make one question. What are the different layers of the earth surface? Then this is the one part of the answer for you. So come to the another topic we're discussing, the movement of the earth crust. Now today what we see the continents, different shape of the continents. We can find the 7 continents. So these are formed through the several process and several stages. So today what continents are we are seeing, it may not be observed by the ancient years peoples. Ago the 400 or 500 or the 1 lakh or the many years before, these continents cannot be experienced by the human beings. These continents are being formed because of the collisions or the compression force and merging with each other. These are taken place many years continuously. So due to this process, the shape and structure of the continents are being changed. Now, so the mountains are rising, the mountains are increasing their height. So, and they are forming. So certain processes also be taken many years. So we can find that many scientists are given the theories, given the information how the continents are being formed. Among them, the Germany meteorologist and geophysicist. This person is given one theory about the continental. That theory is called a continental drift. So, according to him, he said that there is only one continent in ancient period, Pangaea. So, it means the Greek word it is called a huge landmass. This Pangaea, the huge landmass which is nearly 220 million years ago, this Pangaea is split into the pieces, and it is split into the piece and moved to the furthers. So in this manner, the Pangaea is divided into different two parts of the landforms. One part is called a Angara land, second is called a Laurasia. So Angara means the world landforms. The world land is originated mainly two giant landforms. One is Angara land, Laurasia land. Angara land and Angara land is called a Angara land is called a Laurasia, and second is a Gondwana land. The second landmass, the world landforms mostly formed by the two giant landforms. Angara land is called a Laurasia, and second one is a Gondwana land. So Angara land we can find North America, Greenland, or the Eurasia, and north part of Indian subcontinent. And the Gondwana land is South America, Africa, Madagascar, Australia, Antarctica, even the Indian peninsular plate. So in this manner, the Alfred Wegener is given one theory about the continents, and not only that, so mostly when it is finalized and split into the pieces, we find one huge sea area that is called Tithya Sea. It is an internal sea area. So above this Tithya Sea, so these two landforms are originated, Angara land and Gondwana land. So today we completed about the movement of the earth crust. In this we discuss about how the description is given by the Alfred Wegener about the Angara land and Gondwana land. The next class we discuss further. So you need to prepare some information, some questions at home about how the continental drift is explained by the Alfred Wegener. So this is one of the long answer for you.